Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For all of those who are new here, thank you so much for clicking on that view button. And for all of those who are not new, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, I'm so nervous because this is my first ever attempt at a voiceover video. So please bear with me and I hope you guys enjoy. And let me know what you guys think. If you rather the voiceover or if you rather the blow by blow videos, right? So here I am cleaning up my brows. I would have already done my brows using my Caramia pencil. You guys know I love my pencils for brows, especially the Jordana because they're so affordable and they are very smooth and pigmented. I am cleaning up my brows here using my Eligo Pro Concealers, which I always use. To the bottom of my brows, I am using Toffee, and to the top of my brows, I am using Toast. And with the brush, I am just smoothing out all the edges of the concealer so that you won't see a line and that it will be more blended when I apply the eyeshadow. So guys, for my eyeshadow today, I will be using my Morphe James Charles palette. Now, I've been using this palette a lot, but honestly, I'm kind of hesitant to promote it because of all the drama that's going on in the beauty community. And as much as I don't like to be a part of it or try to ignore it, I mean, as part of the community, obviously, it's going to come up at some point. Someone's going to have something to say. But for now, I am using the palette because the look I was going for, this is what I needed to use. Unfortunately, I don't have the names of the shades. I promise next time I'll do a better job. Initially, this video was really for my personal collection, but the look came out so beautifully, I decided to post it for you guys to see. On my lids right now, I am using a combination of the two green mattes in the palette. I'm using the lighter green as a transition shade and the darker green on my crease area, and I am just blending it out. Now, in reality, blending out eyeshadows take a lot of time and a lot of patience because you have to make sure that there are not streaks. You have to make sure that you are not seeing any rough edges. You have to make sure that the colors are completely blended out because you want your eyeshadow to look perfect. Now, instead of just carving out the shape of my crease, I am trying to give a kind of balloon out effect. So I am going way beyond the end of my eye to get the effect that I want. As you can see, the darker green eyeshadow is coming to play now as I cut out my crease area with the brush to give the eye a more, well, the cut crease area, sorry, a more defined look. Hope you guys enjoying the birds at the moment. So I did a big jump here with my eyeshadow look because, as I said again, this look wasn't really intended for YouTube. I just really love the way it came out. I usually try to film my look so that I can remember what I did. And I did a big jump. But on my lids here, what I am using are the same two shades that I would have used as transition, which would be the lighter green and the darker green, as well as I'm incorporating the shimmer green, the shimmer dark green in the look as well. And that will be coming towards the end of the cut crease. And you guys can see now why I did a sweeping motion with the transition shades so that this look here would be more clean cut. To do the cut crease, I would have used my Elegant Pro Concealer in white, which I love to use, especially when I'm using bright shades or I want the colors on my eyes to really pop. It's great for a cut crease. So here I'm kind of changing up the way I intended for the look to come out. So I am using my concealer again in Toffee, and I am cleaning up underneath so that I can get a more defined look. And I'm using the same concealer in Toffee as concealer under my eyes. I would have already done my foundation, and today I use my Laura Mercier Flawless Luminaire Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and I use it in the shade Truffles. Now this foundation is gorgeous. It gives you such a natural look, and it's a bit darker than my complexion, so it helps when I'm trying to even out my skin tone with my concealer. Alright guys, so now I am lining my waterline, and I'm using the Lancome Eye Pencil in black. Now this eyeliner is extremely smooth and pigmented, and to the top, well, to do my actual wing, I would have used my Revlon Skinny eyeliner. And again, that's my favorite eyeliner, my favorite liquid eyeliner. The tip is extremely skinny, as the name of the product says. So it's very easy to do perfect wings. Underneath my eyes now, I am using the same eyeshadow shades that I would have used to do my transition, which would be the dark and light green in the palette. And you guys know it's very important when you have hooded eyes to put eyeshadow to the bottom of the eye as well, because you already don't have much lid, so you might as well use all the spaces that you have. I'm also using a bit of yellow just to blend out the edges at the bottom. And this is the final look. On my lips, I would have used my regular combination, and that's it. Hope you guys